Hello everyone, welcome back to the iGEM Leiden YouTube channel for one more small tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to use the Alpha Fold and Pymol to see 3D protein structures. So basically, Alpha Fold is an artificial intelligence AI system developed by DeepMind, and it predicts 3D protein structures directly from amino acid sequences. So in the past, it was very difficult to figure out a protein shape. It could take like months or years, but now AlphaFold can give you highly accurate predictions in like minutes. You can use it online by using the AlphaFold protein structure database, or you can run the program locally if you need to predict custom sequences, but I'm not going to show you today how to do that because it's a little more complicated. So here on the protein structure database, you can look for whatever protein you want to analyze. And for example, here I want the IgG. So on this part of the website, they will show you how accurate their prediction is. If it's dark blue, it's very high. If it's orange, it's very low. So here we can see it. And well, there's always more information on how to analyze it in here. So here you can download the file, and it's important to know that AlphaFold will only give you a file. So if you want to modify the structure, you need something else. In this case, you need AlphaFold. I'm not going to download it right now because I have already downloaded it, but let me talk a little bit more about Pymol. Pymol is a molecular visualization tool that lets you open, explore, and manipulate protein structures in 3D. So you can rotate proteins, record little videos, zoom in on binding sites, change colors, highlight specific regions, and even make like publication quality images on it. So as I mentioned, after you download Pymol, of course, and I also have the PDB here downloaded, as you can see. This is my Pymol. It's open. But here I'm gonna open my protein with Pymol. So once it's open, we can do a lot of things from it. So after you get a protein prediction from AlphaFold, you have to load the PDB file, that's important to say. And here you can, well, explore. So something I always do is, for example, we can put the background in white or the background, well, I prefer the background in black, but if you're doing, for example, for a PowerPoint, you can always change to a white background. You can zoom in or out. Here on all, you can also remove waters, you can remove hydrogens. H here means hide, so if you want to hide something, well, here it is. Here is to show, so I like, for example, my protein in cartoon mode, but there's also other possibilities. You can show it in ribbon, then it's a little thicker, or spheres. I find this one a little confusing personally, but it depends on what you want and what you prefer. So you can also show it in dots. For now, I'm gonna leave it like this. It's kind of cute. Then you can also change colors. You can also just select a part of your protein. If you go to display and show sequence, you can also just select some part of your protein, and you can color it on selected, and then you have a specific color for a specific part. You can also change colors in general, or you can change colors by different backbones. It's very free, so it all really depends on what you want, but now at least you know how to do the basics here. So to sum up, AlphaFold is important for us in here. The AlphaFold will predict our protein structure from sequences, and Pymol will allow us to visualize them and analyze them. So together we can see how the researchers study proteins and do the designs experiments. So well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more synthetic biology tutorials.